Stay tuned. You will find out what we're going to be doing with this old truck liner that should have been taken to the dump, but we're going to change it into something pretty cool. Okay, this is what it looks like so far. We just cut the middle out of the truck bed. Can't wait. It's going to look so cool, guys. It's going to look so cool. So we went and picked up a yard of really nice vegetable compost. It's got a little bit of mushroom in it, a bunch of all kinds of different things. It looks really good. So we're going to start loading up. Starting to fill up nicely. Okay, guys, here's the big surprise. We used a truck bed liner, cut it down the center, and I turned it into raised beds for in my greenhouse. I'm going to use it this summer because a lot of plants don't do well up here. It's just too cold at nights. So I've got the cabbage, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts in. Super happy with it. Everything was 100% free except this really nice soil, and it was $40 for a yard. This bed took a half a yard, and it's pretty deep. You can see my foot. It's pretty deep. It's probably, I don't know, 18 inches, 12 to 18 inches deep. Well, it's higher than 12, about 18 inches deep. So if you have an old truck bed lying around, use it. Use what you have. Think outside the box. Everything's workable. This wood was in our scrap pile. We didn't have to do anything. We had the screws to screw it together. Like I said, the only thing that cost money was this compost. Have a cool day, guys. I hope I gave you some ideas. Peace out.